Put the fluke on them or something. Is that what she said? Yeah. I got that on video, don't worry. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Wait, let's make this official. What up? What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is supposed to rain today. As you can see, it's kind of, yeah. But hey, we don't care. We don't care it's gonna rain or not. We're still going out fishing. I've got troubles with me times two. Troubles times two, right there. Yep. Right there. So they've been out plenty of times. We are gonna go out and catch a lot of fish.
And the fish don't care, they're already wet.
That's right.
I've heard that somewhere before. I had to oil up my reels and all my settings are all messed up. There it goes. There's our first fish. Little guy. Oh, there's another one. Get up. Little sucker. Zero current. Zero generators.
That's not good.
That's definitely not good. This looks like a root beer color or something.
I don't know what they call the actual color.
There's our first fish.
There are fish in there water.
I just had to start finesse fishing, I guess. I think that's how we're gonna catch them. Yeah. Oh, weightless. Whoa. There's our first fish, guys. Sorry about that. Did you get splashed?
Nope.
A big old splash came up.
Oh. I didn't see that cable.
Is that a fish? Oh, it is a fish.
Over there.
He was like in an inch of water.
He's getting some rays.
I think you're right. There's actually a little current right here off this pole.
Yeah, sure is.
Huh. Oh.
Attaboy.
There we go.
That's what we're looking for.
That's definitely what we're looking for. Well, he smoked it too. Soon he hit it just. There you go. We're on the board with the nice one. Caught him on the little purple Ned rig. Golly whopper.
Good dang. The thing hit as soon as it hit the water.
Somebody's in the trees over there. You got a tree fish? Good gosh, I think they're getting smaller. He went underneath that log. Little sucker. There's fish over here, and yeah, I got somebody putting fish on my line down there. Heard everything now. It's a rock. Purple. Mood ring. That's what it's called, mood ring. Looks just like
I've seen that color yet.
It looks just like a meat dog. Was this fish number 20, Dink? Fish number 3. Fish number 3.
Primary school here. We need to find a college.
We're still in the preschoolers. You know it?
Yep.
We're still catching the preschoolers. Preschoolers. Y'all both hung up again? Can I go? Can I fish a little? I see him. I see little copper trees down there.
That's one way you can catch some fish. Hurry, Gerald, throw your fish.
I may not. I think it's wrapped around a rock.
That's the only bad thing about the current.
There it comes. Yeah, it'll.
The under stuff.
Thank you, sir.
I see y'all playing now. Y'all keep getting hung up, so I can't catch a fish.
If it didn't work.
I found that.
Got one. Monster. Got one. I think it's the same fish.
See how many times you can catch it.
See, now we're figuring him out.
Another one. Hey, they're all small, but they're fun. starting to get a little bigger on that crawl.
Good. Mouth's all red.
Doubled up. Completely red, ain't it? Looks like he's got lipstick on.
We need to catch him. Give us
Another one. Another one.
Waiting on one.
Uh-oh, somebody caught one. Why do you reel it all the way up?
I didn't realize I did.
You know how hard it is to take.
Beat me to it.
You take it off the hook like that.
That's a good enough line now.
Much better.
Yeah, that worked.
Another one.
Got another one back here.
Son of a. Uh-oh, that one's a better one.
Trying to swallow it.
He's yours now.
What's that? Fish number 6 for you, ain't it? 6 fish so far. Yeah, we ain't got a lot of big ones, but we got a bunch of little ones. Bunch of little ones. Pretzels?
Oh yeah, they're the. You got some kind of seasoning on them.
What are those?
They're good, aren't they? Seasoned with the buttery blend of spices, it says.
Okay, ready? Go get the big ones right here. Yep, definitely be ready. They're sitting right back here, so. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got you, got you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God, what a fish. Did you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Hola. One came back up there, didn't it? Alright guys, we're calling it a day out here on the river. Caught a crap ton of fish, but didn't catch any big fish. But hey, we had a blast anyways. Hey, I appreciate y'all coming out.
Absolutely.
Have to come back again. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all give me a thumbs up.